Alright, here we are on Mike's 2015 Mustang V6. Mike's a good friend of ours. Known him forever. Was told by the Ford dealer, because they do their general service for him. Basically, they told him he needs sway bar end links and bushings. So, and the rubber's seen better days on there. We'll get these off. And we'll get our new ones in. We also need to do the frame side bushings here, which we have nice poly ones for him. So that will be a positive thing as well. We're going to get started. We're going to take end links off, those out, get our bar free, and we'll go from there. Hey Xander, that's some nice work by the dealer, huh?
Oh yeah.
Let's lose a bolt and have it sticking out where it could rub a hole in the tire. Good job. All right, we took off our lower cover here. Easy access. So there, some sway bar mounts for bushings. So we're going to undo these two bolts. 1 and 2. There's 2 on the other side. Get that taken care of. That'll free up our bar. And then once we get the bar free, it'll make it easier for us to do the links. So we'll get the bar undone and go from there. Alright, so Xander's having
Nuts.
You're having fun down there?
Yeah, playing with nuts.
Getting the bolts out for the bar. Big pain in the ass. Not much room. I've got a sway bar end link over here on the driver's side. And as you can see, the factory ones, they're like these little chintzy aluminum rods. And there's nowhere to grease them. They're sealed. And I mean, that's a little wore out. So, I'm going to get this apart and then I'll show everybody what the new ones we have for it look like. Alright, so here's your factory link. Here's our replacement ones from Moog. They're greaseable and they're steel as opposed to aluminum. So you'll have a little bit less deflection and they'll last a lot longer. They're just of higher quality. Alright, here's your sway bar bushing from the passenger side. Here's your nice new poly bushing. Way better. A lot less of a pain in the ass. Right. End links are in. Bushings are in. We're ready to put our underside plastics back on. And away we go.